You don't die inside a black hole, you begin again. It begins with a question not of fear but of curiosity. We've always thought of black holes as the end, a point of no return, an infinite abyss where matter, energy, and even time itself fall and vanish. But what if we've been thinking about them all wrong? What if a black hole isn't an ending, but a doorway? What if beyond that swirling edge of darkness is another universe? To understand this, we need to revisit what a black hole truly is. A dying star collapses under its own weight. Gravity overwhelms everything else. Space bends. Light can't escape. The result is an event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing returns. And deep within, hidden behind that veil of gravity, lies the singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume, where the laws of physics break down, our equations end, general relativity explodes, quantum theory shatters. But what if that singularity is not the end? What if it's a bridge? Some physicists believe that inside a black hole, especially one that spins, known as a Kerr black hole, there may exist a tunnel through space-time, a wormhole, a shortcut through the fabric of reality, a place where up becomes sideways and forward becomes elsewhere. If you could survive the crushing gravity and navigate the turbulence inside, you might not hit a wall of death. You might fall through a passage, and on the other side, not a star system, not empty space, but a new universe. Think about what that means. Every black hole in our universe could be a cosmic seed, giving birth to an entire realm of space-time, beyond our own, a place with its own galaxies, its own physics, its own flow of time, maybe its own light. In this theory, called cosmological natural selection, universes spawn other universes through black holes, and only those that can create black holes survive. It's evolution, but on a multiversal scale. Our universe may exist because another universe gave birth to it through a black hole, and we may just be children of collapse. Now imagine falling in. You plunge toward a black hole. The stars behind you stretch. Time slows. You cross the event horizon. Outside, the universe watches you freeze in place, never quite vanishing, but fading like a memory. Inside, space twists. You fall, not toward a singularity, but toward a narrowing tunnel of warped geometry. You're no longer in space. You're in the fold between realities. Then, like a slingshot, you burst out the other side. What greets you? That depends. It could be a still-forming cosmos, hot, dense, and blinding. The beginning of a new Big Bang, expanding outward into emptiness. You're not just in another place, you're in another reality, with different constants, particles, forces. Time might move sideways, gravity might repel, stars might never form, or form instantly. Or it could be a quiet, mature universe, old and stable, a cosmic sibling to ours, a twin, or a stranger. The truth, we don't know. We might never know. The problem with this theory is simple. No one comes back. Crossing the event horizon is a one-way trip. There's no signal, no evidence, no postcard from the other side. If black holes are gateways, they are silent ones, devouring data, hiding their secrets. But that doesn't mean we stop asking. Physicists still chase this idea in simulations and equations. Wormholes, quantum gravity, string theory, they all offer hints. Maybe future civilizations will harness the energy to probe deeper, to stabilize a wormhole, to ride the edge of a black hole like a cosmic surf. Or maybe, one day, we'll create a black hole ourselves, and step through it. So what if black holes are gateways to other universes? Then death is an illusion. Endings are begin, and our universe is not alone. It's part of a cosmic forest, where each black hole is a seed, growing new realities across the infinite dark. We've always stared into black holes with fear, but maybe they are invitations.